Declare your assets immediately. The PSOJ's call to all politicians. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, internal PNP wranglings. PNP Bunting defends decision to run for PNP president.
Health Ministry reporting more confirmed cases of the Zika virus.
Wisynco says more people to be employed when new warehouse is built.
PNP spokesman says the media have neglected an important aspect of the West Kingston Commissioner's report.
And in the business day, KLE says its villa project is still on.
There is also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think Andrew Holness has put the issue of his assets and liabilities to rest following his disclosure last week Friday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.